It's 6:45 Tuesday afternoon, and we are in Legian, on Legian Street. The traffic is already back. Mama's German is open again, and there are some Austrian people inside. That's happy days. Today's video will be exclusively from Legian Street, for everyone who are missing the vibes. Little bit of the traffic situation. Entrance to the Jalan Venasana. I don't want to get too close to don't get driven. The taxi drivers, people. Little bit elderly age and no helmet. Taxi service, transport. Hello.
No job, give me job.
I'm not an employee, but I'm gonna show to the people as you are here waiting for them, alright? Take care, God bless. The pad bar is open again as well, and there are even some maids sitting inside enjoying their time. So, well, what I can tell you guys, well, life is back slowly to Bali, to Legian Street. There are some gaps, like, well, here not much is happening, there is a little bit more people, but what is the most important, the most of the businesses come back already, like this massage parlor, for example. However, one sad thing is what it was and is still now, there's not many people walking on the streets.
So Bali nightclub, as you see, that surrounds me, seems like opening, you know, like the Legian club just right next to me. I think that this club is still exists until now. Even we know that during the pandemic this nightclub is struggling a lot, and we will walk through the Legian and, you know, show you around how is the nightlife in Legian. Seems like back. You see some of the shops also already opening, just like what Damian told you, not many people walking by the street.
Also one thing very important currently when we are walking on the Legian Street, I'm gonna be honest with you, feeling a little bit unsafe. I mean, like holding my camera a little bit stronger, asking to hold your back stronger. Even in Vietnam was definitely feeling much safer than here nowadays. So
I don't know, I even like, you know, during pandemic I still feel okay walking here with my stuff with me, but nowadays I just like, you know, look at surrounds with my stuff and thinking like, I don't know, maybe like some motorbike will, you know, grab or, you know, like snatch my bag, something like that. So because we have seen also on the news, like many people also got on the motorbike try to grab and snatch your bag.
hello. So we are in the area of the pot coffee. There's the shop, everything for 100,000. Well, and the situation is how it is. As you see, not that much is happening around. However, I think the Bluebird taxi is already honking. Hello, taxi boss. And I'm out.
Nggak mau.
He said in local languages, I don't want, I'm working. Oh, but they are come back, right? And coffee pot here, also really not that much is happening. I mean, some places are busy, I have to say, and some others are, well, little bit less. Well, coffee pot. The situation overall on Legian Street now is the gap, as it's not even cars driving around, actually, not many. So
I read also in many news that nowadays the trend, the scam of the trend in Bali is about you are getting scammed in the money changer. So the tips from us, if you want to change your money, so please go to the big and, you know, like a big office with the aircon inside, and then just like very legal. It's not like the small money changer like this, where it is very deep inside, sneaking in the gang, something like that, or where it's not, maybe it looks like legit, but the place, location, you know, seems like hiding inside the building, big building. Please make sure that you go to the bigger one, bigger office, and then make sure there is a security guard inside.
anyways, the tattoo shops, they are open again. The Indo Market is also open next to the Bali Monument. Well, after that, not much is happening. Sad thing is, there is always one guy watching me already for a very long time. I don't know if you're still watching me, buddy. However, you invite me for pizza in VIP, but VIP is gone forever. They went into bankruptcy. When the tourists come back, they went out of business. It was open during the lockdowns, but currently it's gone forever because they even remove already every names and everything. So pretty sad stuff. Meanwhile, this is the monument, bomb monument, true memory of the old people who died during the bomb attacks in 2002. Moment of silence. And this is the VIP. Unfortunately, it's gone, as I mentioned, and well, not much left from the place. Pretty sad story, and there is like another bar, but also not many people inside. There's only one guy sitting. Actually, I'm not even know if he is the waiter of the customer. I mean, my pop is 2 or 1 exit. So looks like this.
Since Bali tourism already opening and seems like Kuta Legian, where it used to be the party spot in Bali, seems like I think this area is the latest place that it will be recovered, right? Even like the shops already opening, massage shop already opening, tattoo shop, and everything seems like already back to business. But yeah, we see that it's not much happening. I mean, like not many tourists are here.
Even here, Empire, I think that was the name, is totally closed. I think it's for sale. Really not that much is happening around Legian. So basically, if you are thinking to come to Bali and having some party, enjoying some wilder party or any kind of parties in Bali, definitely Legian is not the place anymore for that, because not that much is happening around. Everything is moving to different parts of Bali, obviously, right? If you are looking for shopping from these boys, definitely you can still come here. But for the party, I don't think so. I think Seminyak, Canggu, everything is there. Either you like it or not.
Seminyak, Canggu, and Uluwatu nowadays is the party spots.
Because even you might have a great memories for many places, bars, clubs here in Legian, but these places either they not exist anymore, or either they are just totally closed, empty, or just silent. Not much is happening. Meanwhile, thank you so much for listening today. That was exclusive loud Vespa. I like Vespa, but not loud like this. We have our own theory why people driving loud bikes in Bali, but you can let me know in the comment section. I cannot say that loudly here. Anyway.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.